of Himantopus spread in Sumatera, Jawa, Bali, Kalimantan, Madura, Nusa Tenggara, Sulawesi, Maluku, Papua, Australia, and New Guinea. This bird has black and white furs, with light red on legs and it's kinda long. The body covered with white furs. The wings and neck covered by black furs. The habitat of Himantopus are in swamps, brackish swamps, freshwater, the shallow lake, and the edge of rivers. They live with small groups and pairs in each other.
Himantopus behavior are separate on eating behavior, moving behavior, break or sleep behavior, awaken behavior, and aggression behavior. When they are looking for food, they went to watery and sludgy place. The range of the depth is between 3 and 25 cm. The way Himantopus looking for food are with stabbing their bread into the sludge. Regularly, in breeding season, they will looking for food in small group. Moving behavior of Himantopus are with moving from one place to another place by flying on foot and running. When they feel unsafe, Himantopus will sound awaken behavior, which stood up their head and moving it to the left and right.
Aggression behavior shown by chasing and threaten other birds by pecking their beak. This happens when the number of individuals increase while they are looking for food and resting. This is caused by the competition for getting a food and resting place. Himantopus is kind of a diurnal bird, which is active from dusk to dawn, although they still have activity at night. The highest periodic and frequency on roll of Himantopus from dusk to dawn are eating and resting.
Resting and sleep behavior shown by do nothing. They fold their necks and head within the fur or not. Can be standing or sitting on the ground. This behavior caused by multiple factors: the different season, tidal withdrawal, location, habitat, species, and human being or predator. Human existence cause decrease the eating time activity and they will running away, flying, and hiding.